ZW3D 3X milling version, turning and 2 to 3X machining with basic CAD. ZW3D 3X machining version provides basic CAD functions and 2 to 3X machining functions, including 2X turning, 2X milling, drilling, 3X milling, and more. With 2 and 3X milling, turning, and drilling functions, ZW3D delivers easy and efficient manufacturing. For roughing, select the part and stock. Define the tool and parameter. Then, we will get main roughing toolpath. For rest rough milling, we can use reference operation. Define the cutting parameter and calculation. This is the result. ZW3D also provides a flexible toolpath editor. We can easily trim the toolpath like this. ZW3D also has various finish strategies. With Z-level, we can set angle and parameter and get corresponding toolpath. With lace, like Z-level, with different angle ranges, we can get different results. With flat region, we can use flat finishing to find flat area, parameter, and tool to get tool path. Now, we can use Solid Verify to check the result. Refer to the output. ZW3D provides NC code and operation list for the CAM user. ZW3D 3X machining version is a turning and 3-axis milling solution. It's based on unique quick mill technology with a variety of operations, from roughing to finishing.